Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to activate Starlink Mini. First, download the Starlink app on your phone and sign into your Starlink account. If you purchased your Starlink Mini from a retailer or third party, activate it through the Starlink activation page using your kit information. If you're using an existing account, choose the appropriate account option during activation. Next, enter your service address and select the service plan you want to use. After that, enter your contact details and payment information. Then review the information and complete the activation process. Once your Starlink Mini has been activated, take the dish to an open area with a clear view of the sky. Open the Starlink app and use the Check for Obstructions tool to find the best installation location before powering on the dish. Now connect the Starlink Mini to its power supply and plug it into a power outlet. Wait a few minutes while the Starlink Mini powers on and connects to the satellite network. On your phone, open the Wi-Fi settings and connect to the default Starlink Wi-Fi network. Return to the Starlink app and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Create a Wi-Fi network name and password for your Starlink Mini. The app may also ask you to align the dish for the best signal. Follow the alignment guidance if needed. Once the setup is complete, connect your devices to your new Wi-Fi network. You can use the Starlink app at any time to check connection status, monitor performance, run speed tests, and view alerts or obstructions. If the system doesn't come online, make sure all cables are securely connected, verify the dish has a clear view of the sky, and check the Starlink app for any setup alerts or software updates. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.